Today we're doing stuffed mushrooms here in Vince's kitchen. Stuffed mushrooms. Here we go. So we are going to be doing these giant Portobello mushrooms. I've already stemmed and cleaned these off. These things are going to be amazing. Instead of those little tiny, little wimpy, tiny baby Portobellos, we're actually going to be doing a man-size, steak-size Portobello stuffed mushroom. All right, stuffed Portobello mushrooms with langoustine lobster. So the ingredients right now, I've got about 4 cloves of garlic and about a quarter of an onion. Basically, sweating it out right now in the frying pan, the firing line. So we got that. We're cooking them till the onions become translucent. Being very careful not to burn the garlic. Then we have a cup and a half of sour cream, or excuse me, cream cheese, not sour cream, cream cheese. Cup and a half of Italian breadcrumbs, roughly about a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese. This is big name store pre-grated stuff. We got roughly about a cup and a half of Monterey Jack, but then we're also going to be covering our mushrooms with Monterey Jack as well. We have some celery that we're going to throw into the Italian parsley, not celery. Italian parsley, and roughly about a cup and a half of the pre-cooked, pre-frozen langoustine lobster. Once again, you can purchase that from big box store. They come in a bag. Also makes for some really good lobster mac and cheese as well. And then, of course, our 2 ginormous Portobello mushrooms. So we have our langoustine lobster, our cream cheese, all of our ingredients all mixed up nice and blended all together. I'm going to get these out of the way, wash my hands real quick, and then we'll go ahead and just stuff that. Stuff those 2 mushrooms. And perfect timing. The oven is preheated at 425. So we'll go ahead and grab our stuffing. And we're just going to use our hands. You got to get into it. You just got to get into it. That way, get in there. Just being real careful not to crush the mushroom. Just get it, because once the heat gets to it, it's going to be amazing. Just a nice patty. Pop it on there. Got a little extra. Don't worry, that ain't going to go to waste. Throw a couple more langoustines on there. A little bit there. Once that all melts together, that's going to be amazing. We'll put that off to the side. Wash my hands again. Gonna go ahead and put these on the cookie sheet. I just lined it with some tin foil. Doesn't really matter. You can use parchment, right? Let's grab our Monterey Jack cheese. Just make it just a mountain. The mountain of queso. The cheesier, the better, right? Let's get into this bad boy. Oh wait, we're not done yet. Hold on, I gotta grab some Parmesan. Once again, just the pre-grated stuff from the big box store. We're just gonna have a big mountain of cheesy, gooey mushrooms. All right, I'll see you in about 12 minutes. All right, so the leftovers, I'm basically just gonna make a stuffed tortilla with. So we're double wrapping this. And then that'll go in the oven for about 15 minutes. And then when we cut in the middle of it, it's just going to be nothing but melty, cheesy goodness. So nothing goes to waste. You adapt, you improvise, you overcome, and you make a quality little treat. So this will get covered with probably some jack cheese, and then some of the green salsa we made the other day, the salsa verde. So we still got about 12 more minutes to go for the mushrooms. So we'll give it. I'll be back and we'll give that a taste test as soon as the timer goes off. Let's take a moment to thank our sponsor, Mahalo Hosting. Mahalo Hosting offers competitive rates for domain names and web hosting. Why register a star in your name when your name can be your domain? Mahalo Hosting also offers custom high-level domains like .photography, .club, .us, and .tv. Visit www.mahalohosting.com today. All right, so here we are, taste test. Here's what our beautiful mushroom looks like. Hope you guys can see it. A little bit of water seeped out of it. Mushrooms do contain, especially the big portobellos, contain a lot of water. Oh, there's a nice cheesy crust on that. Let's go ahead and dig into this bad boy. It's gonna be amazing. Big mushroom steak. Oh, just everything. Like I said, I let it sit for about 5 minutes, but you can taste everything. The garlic, the onions, the Italian parsley, the cream cheese, the breadcrumbs, everything's there. Amazing. There's no diet on this, by the way. You can't be dieting and eating this mushroom. This is definitely not vegan. Oh, man. But boy, that's a home run. Hey, I'll see you guys in a second. Cheers. Oh, I almost forgot. That's the bonus burrito. Let's see. That's nothing but cheese right there. That's a heart attack in a Christmas present right there. Combined with the salsa. Oh wow, the flavors. Holy mackerel, that's really good too. And I got that langoustine lobster in there. That's a freebie, by the way. So if you have extra stuffing for your mushroom, pack that in a burro and you got it made. All right, so I'll see you guys in a second. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for coming to my party. Love you, mean it.